your smart speaker. Get that feeling. Top End Off-Road Centre, Cairns' newest 4x4 accessory store. Now open Mulgrave Road. Here's News Briefing.
Hi, it's Jessica Heatley with your local news briefing. It's been exactly 2 years since Queensland recorded its first COVID case. Meanwhile, in the last 24 hours, more than 9,000 infections have been detected, with 18 deaths. Premier Anastasia Palaszczuk is happy to report the modelling, though, with the worst-case scenario not coming into fruition.
We were initially expecting, in the worst-case scenario, 5,000 beds across Queensland would be needed. Our most likely scenario was around 3,000, and as you know, what we're reporting at the moment is under 1,000. This is encouraging news.
Meanwhile, an extra $1 billion is being invested into protecting the Great Barrier Reef over the next 9 years. Environment Minister Susan Ley says the federal government funding will also support 64,000 jobs in the state.
This is an incredibly exciting announcement, from breakthrough science to backing the health of our farmers, our fishers, our traditional owners, indeed everyone who lives on and loves the reef and works hard to support its future.
Parts of a Northern Tablelands transport study has shown the true impact of closures on the region's most notorious range roads. The Kuranda route was the most volatile, with an average of 44 closures per year and a 6.6-hour delay time to motorists. Taking a look at local sport, Tuesday night saw a nail-biting Barrier Reef Big Bash final. It really came down to the wire, but designer home Daredevils Seth McGinty emerged the hero to ensure his club was crowned champions. The batsman put together 2 decisive strikes, defeating the Howpin Hurricanes by just 4 wickets. 1 in 5 boaties isn't following the rules around life jackets, according to Maritime Safety Queensland. Be sure to brush up on the requirements before hitting the waters this weekend, and remember, depending on the type of boat, it may be compulsory for children under 12 to be wearing a vest. And to find out what's happening in Far North Queensland, favourite the Locals Guide on the Listener app.
Whenever you're working near power lines, plan ahead, use a spotter, and look up and live. For more power line safety tips, visit local.com.au.
Rain at times and 30 degrees across Cairns today, down to 24 tonight. The same again tomorrow, rain at times and 30 degrees. Our Listener app is the home of radio, podcast, music and news. Join up to listen live or on demand now.